Sandy Ingram here. Today we have really good news for Iraq. China set to bail out Iraq with multi-billion-dollar oil deal. Now, a bailout from Beijing for the cash-strapped government, which will receive money up front in exchange for long-term oil supplies. Iraq will be able to continue to operate and pay teachers and civil servants salaries. China was one of the first countries to take Iraq up on the discounted oil deal. Now, this is the information I wanted you to please understand. When the Pope schedules a visit to a destination, especially a first-time in history visit to Iraq, money, aka donations, arrive before and after the Pope. Iraq needs the help. The pandemic has caused severe problems along with financial problems due to the cut in oil production. This is a channel about money, and fortunate or unfortunate, depending on how you look at it, the Pope represents well over 1 billion members and billions of dollars in real estate and money pledges. On the other note, Iraq's prime minister to visit Turkey on December 17th, 2020. Now, next week this will be. They will discuss security, water, and economic issues. You must remember, Turkey has continued to fight militants in the mountains in northern Iraq. The fact that there can be a positive political meeting is good news. Now, let's have a quick lesson on exotic currency and how you can earn profits with exotic currencies. Now, there are 195 countries in the world. All of these countries are members of the United Nations, except for 2. Now, all of the currencies except the 37 currencies shown on your screen are either minor or major currencies on the Forex market. These 37 currencies, people are earning money each and every day from investing in these exotic currencies. If you have already invested in the Iraqi dinar, the Vietnam dong, or the Malaysian ringgit, then you are already an exotic currency investor. What we want to do is talk about making the jump from waiting for Iraq to do something to making our investments pay off for us. Let me share a cute story about people getting rich in Mexico when the pesos went from 12 pesos to $1 up to 24 pesos in the course of 2 weeks. This is when I first arrived in Mexico. I had to go to the bank almost every day to get money to give to clients whose homes I rented on Airbnb. There was and is a limit on how much cash I could take out each day. Funny thing, I'd get to the bank in Old Town Puerto Vallarta, and there would be a line of older Americans taking money out of the bank to exchange for pesos. I was slow to wake up to what was happening. The value of the US dollar against the Mexican peso was going up each day, and these retired men and little old ladies were at the bank bright and early to get purchase pesos and put the pesos into their Mexican bank account. Now, don't laugh. This may seem like a funny daily occurrence when dozens of expats meet up at the ATM machine early each morning. They were trading online and using their ATM bank accounts. This is the exotic currency lifestyle. When you incorporate the Forex market, you can benefit greatly. You can also lose greatly. See how the exotic currency lifestyle can generate wealth without the stress. This is the power of foreign currency exchange, the power of trading an exotic currency against the US dollar.